In this question, you have to choose the correct option that represents the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. Option A. In spermiogenesis, spermatids are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. Now, this option is incorrect because this option reverses the process. In spermiogenesis, spermatids transform into spermatozoa, and spermiation, on the other hand, is the release of these mature spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules. Option B. In spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatids are formed. It is also incorrect because spermiation does not involve the formation of spermatids. In fact, spermatids are formed earlier in the process of spermatogenesis. Spermiation is the release of already formed spermatozoa from the Sertoli cells. Option C. In spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from the Sertoli cells into the cavity of the seminiferous tubules. Now, this option correctly describes both processes. During spermiogenesis, spermatids mature into spermatozoa, and in spermiation, these mature spermatozoa are released from the Sertoli cells into the cavity of the seminiferous tubules. Thus, it is the correct option. Option D. In spermiogenesis, spermatozoa from Sertoli cells are released into the cavity of the seminiferous tubules, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. This is incorrect because this option reverses the definition of spermiogenesis and spermiation.